Do you want to turn on quiet mode on Instagram? You can enable Instagram quiet mode with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Quiet mode on Instagram is a feature that allows you to take a break from the app and minimize distractions. When you enable it, you'll stop receiving notification sounds, message sounds, call sounds, and more. To turn on quiet mode on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. On your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the profile screen. Scroll down the menu and look for notifications, then tap on it. You'll see various options. Under the push notifications section, look for quiet mode and tap on it. Now, tap on the toggle switch button next to quiet mode to turn it on. Set the duration of the silent mode by tapping on the time next to the start and end times. Select the desired duration, up to 12 hours. Below the start and end times, you will see the days of the week from Sunday to Saturday. You can also enable it on specific days. Tap on the letter of the day to disable or enable quiet mode on a specific day. Once you've set everything, the Instagram app will mute all notifications for the specified time period. You'll still be able to use Instagram as usual, but you won't receive notifications during the muted period. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.